What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm J James and today we'll be looking at how to data recover files from corrupted USB and memory card. First step, download an app called M3 Data Recovery Software and install it on your computer, your Windows or Mac. Secondly, once your download is completed, after connect your pen drive or memory card to your computer, the one that is corrupted that you want to recover your files from. Now run the program and click data recovery module. Step 4, choose your pen drive or memory card and then click next to search your lost data. Step 5, M3 data recovery will analyze every sector on the selected volume and then find the lost files. Then step 6, when the scan finishes, you will be able to preview found files. Then select files you want to recover and save them. So this is a very simple step, as you can see. Very easy peasy, easy step to take. So just go through the step and you will be able to recover the lost files from your memory card or SD card, pen drive, whatever, because it actually pains a lot to lose your files, your documents, just because your USB, memory card, flash drive or whatever is corrupted. So with this simple step you can recover the files that is corrupted. Remember, the app that you have to download and install on your Windows or Mac is M3 Data Recovery Software. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Peace out.